Hi everybody, my name is Neelam and today I'm here to talk about this program called Open Wonder Learn. Open Wonder Learn is a program which is specially designed for children who love to learn in their own style, who love to learn in a very comfortable environment. And which other environment will be as comfortable as home? So we thought let's design a program which is online, which gets the children to learn in a very easy way, in a very fun way, and also it gets them to interact with other children. So in Open Wonder Learn, we have chosen the topics which are usually not there included in academics, and these are the topics which children definitely find very interesting. And most of the times whenever we have taken sessions in school, children do get engrossed and engaged in the stories which we have designed for them. It really builds their curiosity, and they go back with the story and they like to think and try to research on the same subject. So we had taken a topic like circus, which the children today are not able to experience. So I am sure as a child, few of the parents would have experienced, they would have gone with their parents and experienced how the circus actually takes place. But unfortunately these children are never able to experience something of that sort. But the whole concept of circus is so interesting, where there is a display, there are people performing in front of them, then there is suddenly a clown who comes and makes you laugh, and then there are certain trained animals which are there. So the children find it very fascinating about all this, and they really ask so many questions related to it. And so that's about, and there is a language which we try to build around it, which again is a language which will help them build confidence, and the words and all that the stories itself have moral values which we try to encourage. And we try to while we tell the stories, we try to build that kind of value with them. So certain topics which we have designed, we have chosen specially, and we challenge ourselves to research as much as possible. We have also chosen topics like wonder of the world, and certain languages which children may not get to learn during their regular schools. So this is the time I feel they have been having lot of time, lot of play time, where this is an opportunity to learn something new. And when they go back to school, they go back with lot of confidence, and they take back this learning, this extra learning with them. So thank you so much for listening to me, and I would really request you to visit our website Open Wonder Learn, and also visit our FB page, The Owl Library. OWL stands for Open Wonder Learn. So I request you to please visit our website and our FB page. Thank you so much. And if you have more queries on this, please contact me. My name is Neelam, and I'll be displaying my number so that you are able to contact us. Thank you. Have a nice day.